Hey, 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 Facebook friends. Hello. Hello, hello. Happy Saturday evening to everybody. I am just in a crazy inking mood these days. So I am working on another pillow cover tonight. So come on in, say hello, join me. Hey, Roxanne. Want to make sure everybody can hear me okay. And make sure you have your favorite beverage, because I do. So, we are going to be doing a really cool new design that just came out February 1st. And I had it posted in the graphic that I posted about my live. But this is it. It says, don't judge each day by the harvest you reap, but by the seeds you plant. I love this quote. And I'm going to be putting this on a gray pillow cover. And I actually did the same design earlier in my VIP group. And if you're not in my VIP group and you want to know more about this product, please request to join. Just say join in the comments. I'll move you over there. I have various different specials that I offer, tips and tricks. I do live videos in there, and you can see all kinds of cool information. So anyhow, hey Ann, hey Julie, thank you guys for joining. So I'm going to go ahead and flip you guys down so you can see my surface here. Make sure that adjusts okay before I get going here. I'm going to flip on. Yeah, that looks pretty good. I think that looks pretty good. Awesome. You guys can see pretty good there. So again, this design actually comes with these additional pieces as well. And I will be incorporating them in the design also. So this is part of our new, what are they calling it? Chalk Stories collection. And this is from the series called Homegrown. And the idea behind it is, so there's a collection of designs that are created to work cohesively with one another so that you can make a beautiful space in your home with these designs, and they all work together, if that makes any sense. So it's pretty cool. Pretty cool. I'm actually going to use this little, what is this? A little trowel, I think is what you call it. I'm going to put that on the bottom here. I'm just kind of eyeballing where I want this. And I actually think that looks pretty darn good for my first try upside down. So I'm going to go with it. So as you guys come in, please say hello and please share out this video. I would greatly appreciate it. All right. Hey, Denise. Hey, Jolene. Jolene. How does that go? Oh, I love that. Every single time, Jolene, I talk to my husband and mention your name, I break out in that song. Oh, it's pretty funny. Oh, I bet you get that all the time, right? So I'm just trying to make sure. I don't like the way the camera is right now. Which direction do I need to go? I need to go down, but I'm going to leave it right there, I think, for right now. So the colors I'm going to use, guys, I'm using Dolly Parton, yes. So the colors I'm going to use tonight is fawn, and I'm also going to use this beautiful eucalyptus. The two of these together, I think, are going to look fantastic. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. This is a permanent ink, and what I will do is I will heat set this. Once this dries tomorrow, I will heat set this with my iron, and it will be permanent. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and do all of these letters here with this fawn color. Now with the ink, when you're working with the ink, you really don't have to have a heavy hand. You just want to make sure that you kind of go in multiple directions depending on your fabric. Well, pretty much any fabric has a nap to it, right? So you want to make sure that you get in the fibers. So going in a couple different directions helps accomplish that. And you just got to cover up these silkscreen area. So if you haven't seen my video before, these are silkscreen adhesive reusable mouthful transfers. They are not stencils. They are completely different than a stencil. And again, if you want more info, just type in join in the comments and I will get you over into my VIP group so that you can be treated like the VIP you are, right? Then you can get more information and all kinds of cool jazz over there. Okay, so there's my fawn color. And then right here, it's gonna get a little tricky because I'm saving my word harvest and plant for the beautiful eucalyptus color. And I think the two of these combined gives kind of that like an old-fashioned design kind of look. At least that's what I'm trying for. We'll see. We'll see what happens. But that is my plan. Now these transfers, guys, we do have a Chalkology paste as well. And the paste is a water base. It's not paint, it's paste. And it is water based and you can use it on all kinds of surfaces. It was originally created for chalkboards, but you can use it on wood, glass, metal, you name it. So you can create all kinds of cool home decor items. If you guys have been following me for a while, you probably have seen me do my vintage window and then I change it out. That is what the product was originally designed for, so that you can create beautiful things for your home and then just change it out with ease. I just think that is amazing. There's nothing like it out on the market right now. And if there is anything similar, I'm telling you, it's not anything like this. It's amazing. It never gets old. Everyone is able to create beautiful things with it, no matter what your level of DIY is. It just makes it so stinking easy for you to create beautiful things. So that is why I love it. And because it's just so stinking fast to create beautiful things. So your hubby and you are watching? Cool. There must not be anything good on TV. Right, Brenda? Oh, I'd love to be on TV. That would be fun. Oh my gosh, I would love that. Have my own TV show. Jerry's Hot Mess Emporium or something. Oh my gosh. All right, and then I'm just gonna do the gentleman's name down here. Also in this cool color. What did I say that color was? Yeah, that's my over 50 mind. I don't even remember what it was. What's this called, guys? I know I have my some of my designers on here. What is it? What did I say it was? Help me, help me. All right, so I'm gonna put that aside and I'm gonna open up this cool, the beige color. The beige color, Roxanne. You're as bad as I am. You're not any help. Oh, you're sitting on the couch enjoying a lazy Saturday night. Isn't that awesome, Brenda? Isn't that nice to be able to do something like that for once? Oh my gosh, life is always so busy and so crazy. Seems like we never get a chance to sit down and relax, right? Crazy, crazy. There's always something going on. And most people these days have jobs that stress them out to no end. So then it's like when they do have time on the weekends to get stuff done around the house. You don't want to, right? That's one thing I want to say too, to those of you watching and those that will jump on the replay. This is very therapeutic. And I've had many people tell me that have come to my workshops and try the product, and they get to walk away with something so cool right away. Even those that say they're not crafty, and it gives them just a great feeling of accomplishment and relaxation. And I've had ladies say it was therapy for them, and that just warms my heart. People that have conditions and just find comfort in doing this. So just another reason why I love it so much. I love what I do. All right, so I've got that word pretty much done. And guys, we have a really cool monthly subscription club that just started, just launched, and it is called Club Couture. So you can come on board and join this subscription club where you get a monthly transfer design and 3 paste packet single colors to your doorstep every month. And they're exclusive designs, so it's a surprise. You get them, like I said, in the mail, and they're different every month. And it's only $19.99 a month, guys. I mean, how fun is that? So you get to get this design at home, and you can put it on anything at your home. You could put it on a mirror. You could put it on an old window you might have laying around. You can pick up some sign blanks, canvases. And then we also have an add-on. So when you enroll, you have an opportunity to get an add-on kit, a Kickstart kit it's called. And the Kickstart kit has I call it your your starter box basically, because it has a couple of surfaces in it. It has a squeegee and this cool multi-tool and a big jar of white paste, which you need. That's just the base color that you need for everything. And what else is in there? Oh, some magic erasers. I like to call them magic erasers. Not called magic erasers, but similar. They help erase any ghosting that you might have on your chalkboard type surfaces. And that kit is available when you enroll in Club Couture. You can buy that. It's a one-time only opportunity to add that into your cart for $69.99, and it's a really good deal, guys. So, and the club just has an initial 3-month commitment, and then it's month to month after that, so you can quit anytime you want. So, pretty cool deal. So if you guys want to know more about that, you can message me, or you can, I did a post about it in here, but you can just message me and I'll get you the link of where to go and enroll. I also have that information out in my VIP group as well. All right, so there you have it. That's all done, and I think it looks pretty darn good. I am just going to... I saw something, where was it? Right here. I wanted to put a little more right there. Sometimes if you leave it sit a little bit, and it kind of soaks in, and then you might see spots where you want it a little more coverage. But I think that looks pretty good. You always do the finger check, guys. I always say that. Do the finger check. Make sure you don't have any ink on your fingers. And then you can pull it off. So let's see how this baby looks. Oh, it never gets old. Oh my goodness, I love that. That is worth $19.99 a month, you guys, to pull that off and get that feeling of joy. That alone is worth $19.99 a month, right? Oh, I love that, you guys. Isn't it cool? Oh my gosh. Those colors work just like I thought, you guys. It's just vintage looking. Oh my gosh. It's perfect for the font style, I think. Isn't it? Oh man, I'm just gonna do this little shovel down here real quick. Look at how fast this goes, you guys. I mean, seriously, to be able to make stuff like this for your home that quickly, and to look that good. And you guys know these are reusable. So again, you pay $19.99 a month to get a transfer. And you can use it over and over again. So you can make pillows, you could do t-shirts, you can do, you know, home wall decor stuff. I mean, it's just, that's a flippin' good deal, guys. That was like the cherry on top of the cake right there. Oh, I love it. Isn't that cool, you guys? Oh, it is amazing, Julie. Yes, I love the colors too. Holy buckets. Thank you for the hearts, guys. Oh my gosh, I am so in love. I absolutely love this design. As a matter of fact, I was looking at my my vintage window and I was thinking, oh, okay, it's got the vintage truck in it right now with the bed of hearts in the back, and it was for Valentine's Day. And I thought, oh my gosh, I would love to put this in there with, you know, the shovel and the this fork, whatever you call this, pitchfork thing on each side of it. Wouldn't that be cute on the vintage window? That would look awesome. But I love these two colors together, you guys. I don't think that could have turned out any better than that. Beautiful. So that is my project for tonight. And again, you guys that are watching the replay, if you come in, please share this out. I would greatly appreciate it. Does anybody have any questions on Club Couture at all? I want to show you one of the boards really quick that you get in with the Kickstart kit. When you add on the Kickstart kit, this is a 9x12. Look at the frame on this, you guys. The frame is beautiful. It's got slight distressing on it, perfect for any home decor. And this is a porcelain steel board. So this is magnetic. It's an amazing quality board, and it's a 9x12, and you get that in the Kickstart kit, along with a board and base, which, where did I put my little board and base? I had it out here. You get a little 5x7 board and base, which is, you can chalk on both sides of it. It's pretty cool. And then you get all these tools that I was talking about. So you get a multi-tool, you get a squeegee like that, you get a white thing of chalk paste, you get a 2-pack of the erasers that I was talking about. Obviously mine's been used a lot. You can use these to clean off your residue on your transfers on the transfer as well. All that in the add-on kit for $69.99. So stinking good deal. So anyway, what colors did I use for the ink, Jenny? I used eucalyptus ink and fawn. Aren't they beautiful? Eucalyptus and fawn. Thank you. I love it too. Very, very exciting. So that's what I have for you guys for tonight. Thanks everybody for joining. And again, if you have any questions on anything, let me know. If you want to join my VIP group, just type in join in the comments and I will get you over there. And you guys have an awesome rest of your evening. God bless everybody. Good night.